Hello everyone, thank you to all the people who have been following my channel. Today I'm going to bring you another crazy project that I'm working on. Some of you have an idea that I've bought this van. This van is a 2022 Ford e450, and the reason I bought this van is because this van is equipped with the 7.3 Godzilla engine. My intention was to pull this engine out of this vehicle, this van, to put it on my 56 F100. I bought this truck on an auction. This was from Copart. This comes with the salvage title. However, when I picked out the van, I realized that there's really nothing wrong with the van. And I mean, this is crazy. This came with a salvage title, but there's no damage to the car whatsoever. This one had with that box over there that I have. I'm gonna try to zoom in real quick. This was like a FedEx truck, so it had a big box, and that was heat, so that was the accident that the truck had. Like someone hit the back of that box. But as you can see here, there's nothing wrong with the van itself. Everything works as it should. Excuse me. So this is a pretty good van. Anyway, I changed my mind. I don't think I want to pull the engine out of this. When I saw it here on the shop, I said, hey, look, I think I can extend it. The reason I'm talking about extending the cab of the van is because you can see where the seat is kind of like sticking out past the actual cab. And basically, if I move it to the front, yeah, I'm doing this by myself. So if you move it to the front where it's not sticking out past the original cab, I mean, you can see right here how close I am to the steering wheel. So anyway, I decided that on these, I want to extend the cap a little bit. I want to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to give it a shot. I've never done anything like this. I've always done crazy things, but I'm going to basically extend it. And right here, you can get an idea how much I'm trying to extend it. This is about 7 inches. My idea is to extend it and close the cap. And then I want to try to do a tilt bed on this thing. So if you like these crazy projects, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to do videos of all the process. I'm gonna try to get a hydraulic dump bed system for this truck. I'm trying to install it. I had to do a flatbed, and one of the reasons I want to do a flatbed is because once I do that, I can either load a car or use it for work, where I can pick up materials and dump them and stuff. So this is the idea that I have for now. I'm gonna give it a shot. Hopefully I can make it all work, and the numbers have to make sense. And if things don't go my way, I might end up just pulling the engine out and swapping it into this 56. I don't have a drivetrain for this truck, but that's gonna be another video at some point. And we'll see if everything goes well. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna let you know how things turn out. Thank you for watching.